Welcome to this easy guide on how to purchase travel insurance online using HolidayExtras.com. Today, we'll take you through a detailed overview of the website, its features, and how you can quickly and safely buy insurance for your next trip. First, we'll head to the homepage of Holiday Extras, a well-known site that specializes in travel-related services, including insurance, airport parking, and more. One of the great advantages of this platform is its user-friendly interface, which makes it simple for anyone to navigate, even if you're not tech-savvy. The main downside? You might find that some services are limited to specific regions, but overall, it offers a solid range of options. Next, we'll explore the travel insurance section. Whether you're looking for coverage for a single trip, annual multi-trip insurance, or family insurance, Holiday Extras provides different levels of protection to fit your needs. It's important to carefully review the insurance plans. You can compare costs and coverage, ensuring that you pick what best suits your travel plans. The prices are generally affordable, but it's always good to check for any ongoing promotions. Now, let's proceed with the step-by-step process. After choosing the insurance that matches your travel needs, you'll input basic details such as your destination, travel dates, and personal information. HolidayExtras.com makes this process smooth, with clear instructions and an intuitive design. At this point, I recommend using Ecta Traveling. This is a reliable service for booking travel insurance, and it offers competitive rates for comprehensive coverage. The link to explore their services is in the description below. Their service is quick, easy, and ensures you're covered during your trip. Once you've chosen your plan, proceed to checkout. You can pay securely using a credit card or other payment methods. Within minutes, your policy will be ready, and you'll receive all necessary documents via email. Travel insurance is essential for peace of mind, covering medical emergencies, cancellations, or delays during your travels. Following this easy guide, you'll know how to get travel insurance online with confidence, ensuring you're protected every step of the way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next guide.